Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with a St. Patrick's Day project. Today we're making these cute Shamrock drink coasters. It's a simple craft project for your holiday home, parties, and get-togethers. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com. That's where you'll find plenty of crafting and sewing projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this pattern with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and the printable Shamrock templates. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own Shamrock coasters today. I've added a link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need fabric, batting, pinking shears, and the printable template. First, cut out the paper templates. Place the Shamrock fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place the layer of batting. Fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Arrange the Shamrock templates on the fabric at least half an inch away from the fabric's edge and half an inch away from each other, and pin them in place. Rough cut around the Shamrock templates about half an inch from the paper's edge. Stitch the Shamrocks together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Be sure to make sure your needle's in the down position when you're pivoting at those inner curves, and take your time going around the curves. When all Shamrocks have been sewn, use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim a 1/4 inch to half an inch outside the stitching lines. Be sure to use extra caution when cutting those inside points. And just like that, just that fast, you'll have yourself a set of Shamrock coasters great for St. Paddy's Day. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one, with digital patterns that you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.